Oh my gosh, you guys, if you need a good hug from a stuffed animal, you need to grab this Heartful HUGS fox. Look at his freaking arms, and every arm has a weight to it, and even his little paws. Look at his little hearts. These are so cute. And that belly with his little rump, there's weights in there as well. He's so cute. These are called Heartful HUGS, and they are incredibly soft, and yes, they are designed to actually give you real hugs. They're so cute. If you need a good stuffed animal for somebody for Christmas, grab this one. These are actually selling really fast recently, I'm assuming because Christmas is coming up, and that face is absolutely to die for. And just imagine your kid just like dragging this around by his arm. Like, how cute is this? I'm gonna drop the link. Grab him before he's gone. These are from QVC, and anytime QVC sells out, they don't restock. So once he's gone, he's gone.